All right, guys, so today I want to talk about my favorite books or authors or anything to do with health. Keto, keto carnivore, eating low carb, high fat, which is LCHF. Now, one important book that booked, did I say booked? Book! We're not booking a friggin' flight. Is this book called Natural Solutions for Digestive Health by Dr. Jillian Sarno and Jeanette Basinger. See this book? This is a great book because when I was trying to understand people's poor gut health because of all the coaching that I do, I needed a reference. And so this book is really great because, of course, we don't eat apples on the ketogenic diet, but just trying to understand digestion, how your digestive system works, stomach acid, the small intestine and the large intestinal bacteria, the balance, the microbiome. This book is really great and she gives some great solutions. So this is a book that I really like, and I really think that you guys have to consider any type of reading that is about the body rather than just specifically looking for books that cover ketogenesis. Because the only book that y'all should get is this one, which is the one I'm in, which is one of the first books called Keto Clarity, and this is by Jimmy Moore and Dr. Eric Westman. Not that all their information is correct, but because I'm in it. So for those who are just finding me for the first time and don't understand, I've been doing this for a very, very, very long time, putting out a lot of content, doing seminars and writing content. And of course, I'm writing my own book. And as you guys can see here I am in this one. It's fabulous. You can't see. I'm the girl with the curly hair right there. And I'm just below David Perlmutter, who's very, very, very smart guy. But another person, actually a person more than the book, it's the book, but the series of books that she creates is called, her name is Nora Gagaudis. And as you guys know, she is one of my favorite people to do with anything low carb. So favorite author or speaker, if you go online, one of the first things I watched by Nora was, I think it was Taming the Carb Craving Monster on YouTube. And I was like, oh my God, she's so brilliant. I love her. And I've been following her ever since. And that was probably about 8 years ago that I first saw those videos that she created. And ironically, at the PaleoFX, I spoke on the same panel as Nora, my favorite woman, and also Rob Wolf, who's someone who is the sweetest, nicest guy you'll ever meet, who's dang smart. Now, this book is called Primal Fat Burner. One of my favorite books that she also has written is called Primal Body, Primal Mind, and it sort of kind of breaks down the way our bodies are supposed to survive as mammals. Because we have to contextualize how our bodies work and not just a modern human body, which is what we tend to do. We tend to put too much emphasis on, what packaged foods can we eat, like, people watching Netflix and on the computer and social media, and people really seem to not understand that the body is very primal. And circadian rhythm, sleep patterns, cellular turnover, all of these things we don't think about, we take for granted, and she breaks it down pretty dang good. So check out Nora Gagaudis. Now, the other books that people are always asking me, what type of books do I read? I'm supposed to be looking into the camera. So if I've been looking down, don't worry about it. What other type of books do I read? They are physiology books, disease books, because I don't like to really follow ketogenic books because they don't follow my protocol. And my protocol has more to do with real people, with real issues, and how to solve those issues. So a lot of these books do not include the thyroid, the adrenal system, the Krebs cycle, glutathione, you guys having injuries or autoimmunity, and keto or carnivore, keto carnivore, omnivore, or low carb, high fat. They don't tie it all together. And so for me to understand somebody's health issues connected to, let's say, their physiology, then why don't I look at more books about disease and physiology? So that's what I recommend, which is not necessarily a particular author, but more so just try to understand the anatomy of the body. Because I had a client who said, I think I have a gallbladder problem. I have pain on my left side. I'm like, that's the stomach. That's the stomach. So it's probably leaky gut, low stomach acid, or hypochlorhydria, and not your gallbladder, which is on the upper right side. So if you guys are looking for material, because people are always asking me, where do you learn all of this stuff from, or what books do you reference? Well, the main one is Nora Gedgaudas. And another person who I really love is Rob Wolf. I really love that guy. He's just an awesome person, very, very smart. And believe it or not, Paul Saladino's kind of like gotten on my good side as well. With that said, you guys, don't forget to go to my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic. Did I say ketogenic? Ketogenic, not keto. And get a lot of free content there, especially on my stories. You can also go to my Facebook, which is Stephanie, the business as in the body business. Or you can go book a consultation at stephanieperson.com. I'll put everything in the show notes. Or you can join my keto course also at stephanieperson.com, where I cover standard keto, keto carnivore, and keto omnivore, which I already said standard, or low carb, high fat for those who are having a hard time transitioning into keto that still want to eat carbs, and how to do it and when the timing of those meals should be placed. And I'm out. Peace.